Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add someone to your favorites list on WhatsApp using the PC app. This new feature makes it easier than ever to keep your most important chats at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chat list. This is where all your conversations are displayed. Next, find the chat you want to add to your favorites. You can scroll through the list, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the contact or group. Once you've located the chat, right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Add to Favorites. That's it. The chat is now added to your favorites list, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. This feature is perfect for staying connected with key contacts like family, close friends, or work groups. Your favorites will appear at the top of your chat list, so you'll never have to scroll endlessly to find them again. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from this handy new feature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.